Good morning, Year 6. I hope you're safe and well and enjoyed the home learning that I set yesterday. I've already had some feedback and it's lovely to hear how well you're all getting on and how hard you are working. So, what are we doing today? Well, I'd like you to start with Tuesday's morning task, like we always do. Remember to use your imagination to write sentences or even paragraphs or even stories with the word of the day. I really look forward to reading what you write for that. Now, in English today, we are going to be working on activity 3. And I really know that you're going to enjoy activity 3 because it's an artistic challenge, and I know that there are so many of you who are fantastic artists in year 6. So it's very exciting. So what I'd like you to do is to create a drawing for your own door. Now, in the booklet on page 6, you will see there's some examples of some doors which has got images on them. They're absolutely stunning. So have a little look at those. And then I'd like you to create an image on a door of the world that is beyond that door. So we started thinking about yesterday what might be through a door. And today I'd like you to think really carefully and draw a fantastic image for me as well. I'd also like you to complete activity 4, which is looking at idioms. Now, an idiom is a sentence that says something different to what it means. There's an example of one on page 7. So, for example, when people say, "Don't beat around the bush," it means don't avoid what you're saying because you might feel a little bit uncomfortable in what you're saying. It means get on with what you're saying, please. Now, there's some examples on that page, and I'd like you to think about what they mean. You might not have heard some of them, so I think you're going to have lots of fun with it. If you're unsure, talk to an adult because they might be able to help you. But as always, year 6, just do your best and only do what you can. Like I said yesterday, I'm proud of everything that you do. Now, in maths today, we are looking at fractions still, and we are comparing and ordering fractions. So we are going from smallest to largest or largest to smallest. And some key words that you're going to be using today are ascending, which means going from smallest to biggest, and descending, which is from biggest to smallest. Now, when you are comparing and ordering fractions, it's really, really important that the denominators, the number on the bottom, is the same. You need to make those numbers the same. So remember, if you change the denominator, whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top as well. We've spoken about this lots in school, so I'm sure that you won't have any problems with that. If you could attempt the first sheet, and if you're okay to do that, then move on to the challenge. Well done. Okay, now this afternoon we've got a fantastic PSHE lesson. I think you're really going to enjoy this. It's looking at our feelings and emotions. And I know that at the moment we are experiencing a range of feelings and emotions. So what I've done is I've done a PowerPoint and it's got some pictures on there to show what all of the different feelings and emotions are. And then you have got a task that I want you to look at the slides, and I want you to think of some times when you have felt some of those emotions and why you might have felt those emotions, and then what you did with those emotions and how they made you feel. Now, I've put some examples of when I felt a couple of those emotions on the slides just to help you see what I mean by those. Okay, so that's it for today's learning. I really hope that you enjoy everything that I've set for you, and please remember, only do whatever you can. I'm happy with whatever you do, and if you'd like to send me in some of your work, please email me. I really love seeing and hearing from all of you. Well, take care, have a great day. Lots of love. Bye-bye.